In the wake of President Biden's recent visit to Middle East, the experts in Pakistan are of the view that per contra to US claims of being a peace broker in the region, especially in terms of Israel-Palestine conflict, its role has been of an obstructionist, despite having a lot of leverage over Israel.
The US's role in the Middle East has been one that is of a firefighter who has put the entire forest on fire. The US has caused instability, it has caused chaos, it has created most of the wars that it is asking to now end. Let's look at the example of the Israel-Palestine conflict. The US's bias towards Israel is evident. The US has not taken any serious steps to resolve the Palestinian issue. The two-state solution remains in a limbo, and it's all rhetoric that we see coming from the US in relation to the Israel-Palestine issue.
When I look at Israel-Palestine, for example, that has put the Palestinian issue not on the back burner. I think furthermore, it has gone in cold storage now.
Additionally, the experts believe that contradiction is also explicit in US pretext of human rights, which it uses as a tool for arm twisting of other countries. Plus, it has hardly made any positive contribution towards the development and progress of the Middle East, and only gave conflicts and destruction to the region.
Now, what human rights do you prevent when you end up killing hundreds and thousands of civilians? You have thrown literally a civilization back to the Stone Age. Now, this is the impact that the US has had in the Middle East. If the US goes to the Middle East now and tries to portray that it is a peace broker, it is here to facilitate development, it is here to fill up some vacuum, that's going to be taken up as a lie. In my view, the only possible good that the US has done to the Middle East is that it has brought McDonald's and Coca-Cola to the region. Other than that, to be very honest with you, I don't see any positive contribution that the US has made to the Middle East.